Today we are going to discuss the question set number 23 in our DBMS question series. The first question says, what is the lowest mark obtained for Sinhala subject in the first term? So, in here we have to select minimum mark from student exam mark record table. After that we have to inner join exam term on. We have to see student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. After that we have to see subject. We have to join the subject table also. Inner join subject table on. After that we have to see student exam mark record dot student subject id is equals to subject table dot subject id. After that we can give the condition where subject name is Sinhala and the term is first term. Subject name is Sinhala and the term name is first term. After executing the query, you can see the minimum mark of first term in Sinhala language and integer subject is 75. The second question says, find all the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the first term Sinhala subject. Now we know what is the lowest subject for the Sinhala language in first term. Now we'll see, we have to select the student. Select all from student table. We have to inner join. We have to inner join exam mark record table on, and we have to see student index number is equals to exam mark record dot student index number. After that we can give the condition here where mark is mark, and here we have to use a join query. Copy this and paste inside of the brackets. Now we can see here these are the students who got a minimum mark for Sinhala language and literature in term first term 75. The next question says, What is the lowest mark obtained in the second term science subject? We have to select lowest mark. That means minimum mark from student exam mark record. After that, we have to inner join the subject table on, and we have to see student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject id, and we have to inner join the exam term table also. Inner join exam term table on. We have to see student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. Now we have to give the condition where term name is second term and the subject is science. Term name is second term and the subject name is science. Now you can see the result here. The minimum mark for second term science subject is 45.52. The next question says, what is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on 2027 10? What is the minimum mark? Where subject is mathematics and the exam term name is this date. In here also we have to select minimum mark from student exam mark record. After that we have to inner join subject table and the exam term table. Subject table, and we have to see student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject id, and we have to inner join exam term table also, and we have to see student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, and we have to give the condition here. Exam date is this date and the subject is mathematics. and the subject name is mathematics. So you can see the result set. The minimum mark obtained in this exam date, the subject is mathematics, is minimum mark is 44.12. 44.12 is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in term examination held on this date. So fifth question says find all the details of the student who obtained the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on 2027 date. Okay, now we know the minimum mark of the examination held on this date. So we'll see the students. We use a subquery also here. Select all from student table, and we have to inner join student exam mark record table, and we have to see student table dot student id index number is equals to student exam mark record dot student index number. After that we can give the condition here where mark, we use join query in here. After that you can copy it and paste here. After execute this query, you can see the student who got the minimum mark for the mathematics subject in second term is 44.12. Okay, these are the requirements of question set number 23. We'll meet from the next question set. Thank you.